grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands, nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, so today's video I'll be sharing with you on some clips of my birthday. However, being that I didn't really film my entire video from start to finish, I'm here now to explain what really went down on my birthday. You all know that from the last video that I've been going through a lot of university stress and I had a lot of exams, for example, in January and February, and I'm also dealing with my bachelor thesis and stuff. So turns out somehow on my birthday I had a very important call with my professor, so I didn't want to miss that, and I couldn't really reschedule it because it was important. I've been trying to contact him 2 weeks prior to that, and it didn't work out. I believe in the beginning he said like he would email me at such and such time, then he didn't, then he said he would call me, and a lot of things happened, and then he said like on the 8th, and I'm like, okay, cool. So on the 8th now, my birthday, I was like, oh man, it's my birthday, but I have to do this major big call, and I had problems with sleeping, right? Because this professor is here in Germany, and y'all know that I'm on Malaysian time. I still am, even after the exams. So I was on Malaysian time, and I wasn't sure how I was gonna make it because he said I should call him before 12. Well, between 10 and 12, right? So usually around that time I am sleeping, but being that he said I should call him around the time, I had to like figure out how I was gonna do that, and I tried to go to bed early. I went to bed early and I woke up way too early, so I was awake since I think 4 that morning, because otherwise it wouldn't have worked. So I was up since 4 waiting on him, yeah, so I did stuff to keep myself busy until 10. I called him and the guy didn't pick up, and I was so sad because I'm like, oh no, I stayed up since 4, and with all my sleeping schedule stress and so on, and he didn't pick up. So I'm like, okay, I'll call back, and I think I called back 2 times or 3 times within that time frame, and he did not pick up, and I was so heartbroken on my birthday, and I was going into this thinking that things have to go good, because it's my birthday, come on, have to, but it didn't go good. So yeah, that was that on my birthday. I was so tired, guys, so tired because I was up since 4. So what I did, I think at 12 now I went back to bed and I slept until 2. I remember this very vividly, guys, and I slept until 2, and when I woke up now, I was so tired. I didn't even feel like celebrating my birthday anymore. So tired, but I forced myself out of bed. I'm like, okay, because I wanted to go and play billiard with my family, like pool. So that was the plan. So I forced myself out of bed. I sent a professor email like, I tried calling you, it didn't work out, here's my number, and such and such. So that's what happened. Yeah, so I got ready to go out, and it's so funny, guys. The professor, he called me while I was at the train station. I'm like, oh damn, this is the professor. Somehow I wasn't expecting him to call on that day. Damn, like I thought maybe the next day or so, but like still in the same evening, because he was like calling me between 10 and 12, so I figured he was probably busy in the evening. Anyways, the guy called when I was in the train station. Train station is loud for those who don't know. So I now came out of the train station, and I was just standing there on the side with my family. like my mom and my sister, they were also there listening in on the call, and so yeah, I put the call on speaker so that they could hear, because I was so worried, because in the morning when I called him initially, I had you know, some recorder ready to record him so that, you know, I can make notes, and so, you know, for those important calls you want to record it. And I was very worried, so my mom said put it on speaker, I listen with, you know, I tell you what I understand and whatever. So I'm like, okay, I put it on speaker, and the guy, I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that much. So he went into so much details and started explaining stuff, and remind you, I told the guy that I'm on the side of the road and whatever, but he went in and he did a good job as a professor, but you know, for me it was wrong timing, and you know, he just went too in depth. At one point I zoned out, then there was this drug addict or some random guy that was shouting at one point. He distracted me completely. I was just thinking like, what is my professor thinking, like, because that was not no normal shouting. He was, you know. Yeah, so that was that. Yeah, that was my birthday. That was around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in the evening, I guess. Yeah, and then on the way now to play pool, me and my mom and my sister, we kind of pieced together everything that the professor said, right? And you know, like, you really heard that? Because like I said, at one point I zoned out, you know, it was getting so technical and I was nervous and all these things. And my mom said, yeah, he said that. And then we were piecing together everything that the professor said, and we were talking about it and whatever. Then we went to play pool. Yeah, so pool, I managed to get some footage, so I'll be playing that for you all. You guys can have a wonderful laugh, because we're terrible at playing pool. My mom, she said she was playing for the first time. My sister, I think she has a little experience on me. I also have a little experience, maybe the most experience, maybe not. I guess not, because I lost. But I feel like I played more often than even my sister. But whatever, I'll explain to you what happened. So the both of them, they played against me, so the game was 3-2. So what happened was that the first game they won. Then the next 2 games I almost won, but guys, guess what happened to me? Guess how stupid I am. You see guys, when you sink the 8 ball in the end, and stupid me, I sank the white ball with the 8 ball, so that would mean that by compulsory they would win. So that got me really upset, right? My cat is trying to jump on me. Not now, honey. Anyway, so they won by compulsory because I sunk the 8 ball with the white ball. I was very pissed. You know, it happened one time, okay, but it happened 2 times. I was really pissed, and I even captured that on camera. So you guys can get a good laugh. Yeah, just basically 3 idiots playing pool. I think it will be highly amusing for you all. And then the next 2 times I won. I still didn't get my whole revenge because I wanted to win fully, like get a 4-3 or at least a tie, but the time didn't allow for it. You know, because we had like dinner reservations and so. So after the pool, then we went to this really nice restaurant. Like somehow the restaurant that I wanted to go, they were closed on my birthday. Like they usually close on Tuesdays, which is so sad, you know. But then I found an even better one. I never knew of this one online. It didn't even look as good as it looked in real life, so I wasn't even expecting such a cool place. Yeah, so I didn't capture so much at the restaurant. A bit, I captured a bit, so I'll be sharing that with you all, pictures as well as smaller videos. And guys, my sister will be in this video, so stay tuned if you're curious to see my sister again. A lot of you all always ask for videos with her in it, so this will be one of them. You know, I'm not cutting her out. She was there and she was there. So guys, that was the story time of my birthday. The stressful part as well as the frustrating part with me losing to some stupid mistake, and then you know, dinner, and by the end of the day guys I was so exhausted and I had a major food coma. Like I overate because it was all you can eat, you know. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna now play the clips first of us playing pool like 3 idiots, and then of the beautiful dinner that we had. And yeah guys, I hope to see y'all in the next video where we'll be reviewing some German snacks, you know, introducing them to you guys. I don't know how many of you all know German snacks. And yeah, so please like the video, subscribe, share, comment down below. I have much more time now to do videos again, so look out for them guys, look out for them. So until then, Chrissy loves y'all. Bye bye. Okay, have that. So, jetzt habe ich ja die Stripes, ja?
Jetzt kommt der Genius Kristall.
Really, nigga?
Come on, seriously? We couldn't do that.
So, ihr dürft auch. Da kommt! Yes!
Das war natürlich volle Absicht. Ja, ich hab getroffen. Jetzt sind wir nochmal dann.
No, schon alle geht
Nee, jetzt ist getroffen auch wieder.
Sorry. Yeah, no, me I go catch Sarah.
Nein, don't touch me.
No one's catching. No talk English, no? People them can understand German.
Not the black bar. Nothing that.
Okay, jetzt bin ich dran, halt mal sagen.
Make you put your mom on. You're not touching.
Ja.
Ja. Ich weiß. Das ist ja meine Spezialität. Ja, nur everything is your specialty. What? Nein. What? Oh my God. mal wieder. Can I repeat that one?
Nee, hol ich. Das ist authentic. Das ist embarrassing.
Kannst du laut sagen.
Wie soll ich das jetzt machen?
So, here comes the birthday girl. Birthday shot.
Das war so close. Ja, schon das? Bei mir natürlich schon mein Schatten und schon.
Da ist ja auch nicht drin, ne?
Das ist mal close.
Ja, bis sehen wir mal schon hier dann.
Da war nicht close.
So, Sarah, jetzt halt mal, ne?
Ja, mach du. Oh, sorry. So, at least we have my easy shot left.
Juhu. Super gemacht.
Oder ist still in Nairobi?
Sanft. Ja.
Say, teacher, well. Look at the proud mama. Oh, danke dir.
Oh no.
Danke dir.
Yeah, the second one was shitty a bit, eh? But we won the last 2 rounds them anyway, so I guess we're sorry for you.
Sorry.
Ja, das war jetzt ausgeführt.
Ich hab gewonnen, ja? Du hast die Ball verrückt.
Nein.
Oh nein, bin ich so unterwegs. Bist du happy?
Dann darf ich jetzt
Blauer.
right. Der ist ja ausgeschützt.
Das ist ein schlechter Angel, das ist auch bald Angel. Kann ich das bitte machen? Ja, noch mal mit viel Boden. Jetzt habt ihr wieder meinen Ball verschwunden. Ja,
Nee, ist irgendwie
genau, das ist besser.
Había subido la mano y encontré para ella.
keep it or something.
Das war jetzt schon ein bisschen doof, ne?
Raise a glass, you've made it another year. Happy birthday, have a laugh, crack a smile, even shed a tear. Because it's your birthday. Pop the cork, pour the flute, make a wish, and don't forget to count the candles. Now we celebrate with cheers. Raise your glass to another year. Raise your glass, it's time to have some fun. Happy birthday, yellow cake for another trip around the sun. Because it's your birthday.